Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ulampang jong ka yeng dorbar thawan ka jela Thomas A Sangma. Ulong bagi Trei jong ka assembly Thymmai kilong ki bayat bet yat renti hadu menta bat penpau ba ka dekapor ka ba bha namar hab ban pendap ya ka jingte ya ka jaka ban shong dorbar hapo jong ubnai jiliu ne naitung namar kandon ka dorbar ka ba buat ka bandong ha ubnai nailar kumta dan kam ban pendap ya ka shwa jong kata ya kani ulampang ulay thu ha ka jingkran mer kinong tho khobor ha ka por ba ka tanat urban affairs kadang penlong ya ka jingjurep ya ka Trei ki badan ha New Shillong township But ha jinglet ban jurep ya ka assembly Thymmai ka badan hamau diang Shillong. Habede ban kampen Kloi ban Pynsted knang ban la ban pendap Kloi ya ka jing Trei ya ka assembly Thymmai ulampang uloong bala Bthah ya Kontraktor ba Trei baro shisngi knang ban la ban pendap Kloi kat bala. Haba jubab ya ka jingkali ulay thu ba ya ka benta ba syapo jong ka assembly laiti sya ka PWD bat ka kam kadang ya syakmat ya ki tiar lashna syabar jong ka jela hendrei ki ladan lupa halinti Bala kami lenti bagi tiar kin poi ha ubnai banwan. Kini ki jingshna bahapo ki kintup kum ki audio lane visual ki light ki data cable bat ki wei. Tigum ta ngila penan kamru de ki company na US ki bala Trei ha ka yeng dorbar thawan kari ulong. Haba benrap ulong bakani ka assembly Thymmai ka don ya ka jaka ka babiang ban pediang ya baro.
So this is not going to be the normal assembly or MLAs. This is only the ceremonial where when governor comes or president, prime minister, whatever. This will be the ceremonial entry. This will not be the normal. For MLAs, the entries from backside there's the normal entry will be there, which is going to be used day to day. That's what. We'll take it to the right minute. Oh, this is the main hall. Oh my God. This is the part that the work is left now. So we will start now. This padding is going on. This the part that's taking time.
This is the hall that we will sit in, sir.
Yes.
This is our hall.
This is the hall. Hopefully in August we'll be sitting here.
Your voice is
should be.
so you just shout.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
So earlier we had a big problem because this dome, the echo was too much. So that's the reason why we had to go for special padding. And now you can make out the sound is very good. Yeah, no echo. No echo. So yeah.
But it has to be zero.
Yes, sir. That's not my rule, sir. So we have, sir, as you remember, the earlier design was a suspension of the dome. Now the dome is on the pillar.
On the main pillar.
On the pillar, sir. So you can see it's very stable now. And the weight of the dome was 3,000 metric tons. That is 3 lakh kgs then. Now it is only about 300 metric tons.
Less than that.
Yeah, 1/10. So that's why. So and most importantly, the main beams and all are on the column, on the beam, on the main foundation. That's the main thing. So this is the one we're waiting for. Hopefully, Speaker sir will.
Only this is left.
Yeah, this and the front reception.
It was the Urban Affairs Department program of the Department, but we decided that Honorable Chief Minister suggested that we have a bus tour of the new Shillong City Township and the new Shillong, the new Secretariat, which is, the progress is very good. So we went to visit there and ultimately come here and show the honorable members around the progress of the work here in the assembly also.
Sir, are you satisfied with the progress of the work in this assembly, sir?
Yes, so far the progress is quite good, I would say, but we have a very hard timeline. We have to finish by June or July at the most, because we are going to have the session. Next session is due in August, so we want to finish it before that.
So, do you think that is it possible that with so much work remaining. Is it possible to hold August 30?
We have asked the contractors to do the work, in 3 shifts, which means round the clock.
So we are also told certain areas here.
I'm sorry?
The external part of the building, has it been handed over to the PWD?
Yes, it has already been handed over, and the interior works are going on. As we speak now, we all know the interior parts consist of those claddings and paddings and all. So those materials are being manufactured outside our state, and they are being, as we speak, they are already on the way, and we expect those materials to reach by next week or next month.
So there is a separate contractor for the interiors.
Yes.
From where they are?
We have, because interior, when I say interiors, it involves all those, the security system, the audio visual, the lighting, everything is included there. So it's not only just putting those pads and claddings, but it also involves the cabling of all those high security cables, data cables, so we have engaged a firm, a US-based firm, which also had done the work for the parliament.
What will be the cost of the interior designing?
So far, we have in our budget to complete the main hall. It will be around 30 crores.
Sir,
Has already been sanctioned.
sir, how many rooms total?
I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I don't have that idea. But it has enough rooms to accommodate all the staff.
In fact, we have seen that in our present assembly, even opposition room and all are very small. When earlier, during last government, also when the size of the opposition members were more, we have seen that hardly there was any space to accommodate them.
Yes,
So.
Yeah.
So is the number means the space are enough for this both ruling and opposition?
Yes. We have a 45 seat capacity for both the ruling and the opposition. We have ruling room and the opposition lounge. We call it lounge. We don't call it room. Opposition lounge and a ruling lounge, which has a 45 seating capacity for both.
What about media?
Yeah, there is a media room. There's a press room also. Of course, definitely. Thank you so much.